Oh, you know we had to end with Knife Party. This track is no joke. Like, I'm just gonna tell you straight out right now. Drop those hips back. Suck in some oxygen now while you can. Here we go. This track is called Ghost Train. An athlete, we're gonna let that spirit move us. Here we go, travel. Little steps, eyes open. Ooh, all aboard, baby. Let's go. In case you forgot, you are the type of pro that chose to be doing this right now. I do not care what your score is. I care that you're here. Don't bail on me, baby. Move. Shoulders down, abs tight. If you're noticing that those hands are real close to your body right now, if you're getting a lot of wrist flexion, lengthen those arms. Breathe.
The next station is here. Please mind the gap.
We are right there. Stay with me. Drop that chin. Look forward like you belong here. Let's bring some power back into these triangles. Drop, stand. Exhale on these turns. That heat you're feeling in your muscles, that is your cells adapting. We're gonna smile and thank these targets for making us stronger, making us better, sharp and steel. Move it side to side. Eyes up, eyes up. Whew, say thank you for all that hard work, my friend. And let's cool down.